Success is no accident. It is hard work, perseverance, learning, studying, sacrifice and most of all, love of what you are doing or learning to do. I am constantly being asked about individuals. The only way to win is as a team. Football is not about 1 or 2 or 3 star players. Wherever you go, there are 3 icons that everyone knows: Jesus Christ, Pele and Coca-Cola. Enthusiasm is everything. It must be taught and vibrating like a guitar string. If you don't give education to people, it is easy to manipulate them. Sport is something that is very inspirational for young people. Everything on earth is a game. A passing thing. We all end up dead. We all end up the same, don't we? The bicycle kick is not easy to do. I scored 1,283 goals, and only 2 or 3 were bicycle kicks. I've come to accept that the life of a frontrunner is a hard one, that he will suffer more injuries than most men and that many of these injuries will not be accidental. I don't think I'm a very good businessman. I act too much with my heart. Pele doesn't die. Pele will never die. Pele is going to go on forever. Lionel Messi is a wonderful player. Very skillful. Highly intelligent. He is not good in the air. Yes, I have a lot of business interests. But I don't work for just anyone, and I choose the companies very carefully. No doubt, I am earning more money with my endorsements than I ever earned playing soccer. A penalty is a cowardly way to score. If you are first, you are first. If you are second, you are nothing. The more difficult the victory, the greater the happiness in winning. People argue between Pele or Maradona. Di Stefano is the best, much more complete. The more difficult the victory, the greater the happiness in winning.